some of you guys on the forum can help me. I don't know if you can hear that sound. I'm not sure what it is at this point. I've already replaced the idler, I've replaced the tensioner, I replaced the alternator, the power steering pulley. I've put the stethoscope on it, which I have right here. It sounds like it's the idler pulley, but I mean, the idler pulley is brand new. I've even taken the bolt off and lubricated it with a little bit of grease, and that hasn't changed the noise at all. I'm wondering if maybe it's my power steering pump, my water pump. If any of you guys have had a similar noise, it's a 2012 Ram 1500 with a 5.7. Please chime in, but please don't put the stethoscope to it, this, that, and the other thing. I am doing that. It's very hard to pinpoint this noise. Like I said, it sounds like it's coming from the idler, but it could be traveling from somewhere else. I put it on the water pump. I'm not 100% exact. I'm going to try to get my buddy up here with a second set of ears to listen to this, but if any of you know this noise or have had this noise and can throw me in a direction, that'd be great. Appreciate it.